When we have a tendrement movement in French Baroque music, we'll most definitely have places to use the flattement or finger vibrato. See my video number 15 to learn how to do this if you're not familiar with it already. Here's a segment from my previous workshop where I talk about an effective way of using the flattement. Now, one of my favorite uses of flattement is looking out for places where the line dips down. So by doing the flattement, by flattening the note, you're enhancing that downward motion. Like this one here, for example. And of course, once again, be sure to diminuendo. So the combination of the diminuendo and the flattement will make this phrase just sound very natural and organic. And the effect is very subtle. It's just kind of like I'll demonstrate in just a bit. It's just kind of like a slight flutter in the air. And in this case, was all in the connection also with the little trill that follows. You really feel the original meaning of the word tremblement, which is trembling. For me, it's literally like when your voice kind of trembles when you're about to cry. Okay, so this is kind of the effect that I'm looking for in this place. I hope it comes across through the microphone. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so, try that. And it enhances again that, it's kind of like, oh, in the heart. Here are more places where it's great to add the flattement as the melody goes down. And in these cases, they are kind of quite long notes, right? I think before we had, what was it? That was a quarter. Here you've got kind of, half note and plus. So you can wait a bit before you start to waver, before you start to do flattement. I try to kind of indicate that visually. So if you don't need to start right away. It's just kind of a way to save and kind of increase the expression. If you do it, just start a little bit later. Again, with subtle shaping, swelling, and diminuendo. With the sound, and this is really so important. And keep in mind the French word doux, it also means sweet. So it's not just playing soft. Again, there's a certain emotion, a feeling connected with that. So let that guide you in your musical interpretation and execution. Now you try it and